I was endlessly scrolling on Instagram, thinking about why nobody loves me, and if I should drop the university and do that full time, when I came across a reel that featured this garbage unholy and exceptionally dumb code. It was posted by a guy that said it would compile. Of course it did not, because the C language does not support implicit conversion between integer and pointer to integer. But I tried anyway. That's the result. I was curious though, even if the code wasn't interesting and meaningless, kind of like my life, so I tried to convert one of the variables to pointer to integer, so I compiled and ran the code. At first I didn't expect the output that I got, and that kind of triggered me. Why the photonic fist of some Flappy Bird like game was going on? The first instinct was asking to LLM to solve all of my problems, so I pasted the code and started typing. Why nobody loves me? Should I end my programming journey and go to do a job to generate actual wealth, like constructor worker or farmer? But then I remembered one cool trick to see what actual assembly was produced by my code. The command is obdump-d, and it prints the assembly code to start. Cool, right? So I go to the main function, where I find how the program stores the values of A and B. After that I see where is the sum of the two. That's how I discovered that one of the two variables was multiplied by 4. That explains everything. I knew what was my error when I expected the sum to be just the sum of the two numbers. Adding a number to a pointer, it does not just add the number to the address. It first multiplies the number that you are adding by the size of the thing pointed to. That makes sense. Let's say you have an array of integer. Every one of those bad boys lays in 4 bytes of memory. If you just add 1 to the address of the first, and you read 4 bytes, you will just get the last 3 bytes of the first element, and the first byte of the second.